Okay, so I have connected my case and we will try to read out this ECU. So this is Volkswagen Passat. Wait, why do I have Peugeot? Volkswagen, but I will have to find out engine code. Okay, so this is engine code BKP. Okay, we probably have to select this scan ID, switch on the dashboard. Okay. Okay, switch off. One more time, switch on. Okay. Okay, so this is correct protocol, we have to use scan. Okay, I don't need to save this. But now we want to do reading. I'm a little worried about this battery voltage. We should have at least 13, ideally 14 volts. But apparently my charger is not strong enough. So we will have to risk it on the low voltage. Switch on the dashboard. We have that, okay. Switch off the dashboard. Okay. Switch on the dashboard, hopefully for the last time. Okay. Proceed to read, yes. Okay, one more time, switch off the dashboard. Switch on the dashboard. And now finally we are reading ECU file. And this will be pretty quick, only 5 minutes. Okay, reading ECU completed. And let's see our file. Now this is bin file and I am opening it in text editor, so not much we can see, but I want to check out the size of this document, if it is whole thing, on file location, and it has about 2 megabytes, so this should be the whole ECU file. So I will edit this, I will do some modifications and then we will put it back to see if it works. I have literally tested hundreds of different OBD2 scanners and I run the best OBD2 scanner website. There you can find best OBD2 scanners for literally every category. You can see real procedures done with the scanner, you can see scanner reviews. Anything related to OBD2 scanners you can find at my website iamkareker.com and even download free PDF guides like this.